Welcome to part 2 of We Made a Unimog for the B team, and just in case you missed part 1, here is the final product. We'll just give you a quick tour around. You can see it's got its own number plate, Mog 1 of course. It's got an aerial, jerry can, reflective lights, it's got its little hubcaps, it's got its side windows, steering wheel, headlights, light bar, tow rope, everything a cat could need to go out trick-or-treating on Halloween. So here we are, part 2. This was the truck complete. It went into the spray shop. We used, I think, 2.5 cans of black spray to completely cover it inside and out. It didn't take long to do, probably about an hour. And there it is dry, back in the craft room. Now it's time to pimp my Unimog. So I made some hubcaps out of some jar tops, plastic jar tops, sprayed them silver, and then I decided to line the whole truck bed in black felt. I glued it in place with some non-toxic PVA glue, and here's the glue. I spread it all over the truck bed using a palette knife before firming the felt down on it, because you know what cats are like, they like to rake things up, and I wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to move. Then I just add some black stripes onto the wheels, and then I decided to make a steering wheel, and I had a small scratcher, round scratcher as you just saw, and I just cut out 2 circles of black sticky back plastic and added those to the sides. Then I added the hubcaps to the wheels and added a little pumpkin sticker, because we all need a pumpkin sticker on our wheels. Then I made the number plates with some paper stock I had in the craft room and just covered 2 little rectangles of cardboard, drew on Mog 1 and stuck them on the Unimog, front and rear. I found a small cable reel that I made the steering wheel from and just attached it underneath the window screen on the inside, as you can see. And then I attached a tow rope with some hemp rope underneath the front of the truck nose. I added some windows with silver paper. I added some battery headlights to the nose of the truck, some more stickers on the back, some reflective stickers. I added a grille on the front with a little pumpkin sticker. And here's the Mog from the front view with the headlights working. They were battery operated with a little remote. I added 4 to the light bar, because you can never have enough lights on your light bar. Then I added the trim around the windows because I felt it needed a trim. So I just used some cardboard, sprayed it silver, and there we have the trim around the window. And that's it, there's your finished Mog. Join us in part 3 to see what the B team thought of the Halloween trick-or-treat monster truck. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You know how much we appreciate your time.